Forex trading in August be like rise and fall. Yeah, it's going this direction. No, the price has broken structure and the rest of that. Man, it's actually not that easy to trade throughout August. Every year, if you check, it's actually the same thing globally. So it is not just about the year 2025. And the reason is because August is usually the month when most banks go on holidays. In the US, like in Europe, that's most of the time that they go on holiday. So the activity is not that stable like most other months of the year. So that's when the bank have much less activity. So if you have been wondering why is the trade in August not going your way, I think in August, it's actually better for most people not to trade, especially if you have trained yourself to overtrade. You get? It's actually better not to trade at all than to want to be in the market all the time. But then if you want to trade, it makes sense to trade. But then that's when most people have their major losses, weekly or monthly. August is usually the month because that is when the structure usually breaks beyond your analysis, like your technical analysis. August is that month when there is major news in the USA. And you know that US, London, these are the highest movers of the Forex market. You get that, right? So no matter who you are as a Forex trader, the month of August is usually that month when you are likely to have losses. It's usually that month when, even if you're trading, being a day trader or swing trader may not always go your way, because at one moment you feel that, it's going my direction as usual, and then one news comes up, it drops down below, especially if you're trading pairs that has to do with USD or GBP. You get that, right? So just so you are aware why the market is not stable in the Forex market in the month of August every year. This is the reason: the holiday, the news and the holiday, most of those things usually happen in that same month of August. So when you think that, this news is over, I can now place a trade, by then the market is trying to correct from the previous news. Maybe like after 5 days to 1 week, another news is made, and then everything starts all over again. That's just the reason. You get that, right? But however it goes, whatever your decision, manage your risk to reward very well and trade what you can afford to lose, especially in the months of August. And however it goes, I really wish you the best in all of this. Bye.